Hey guys, so I dug through, I'm slowly unpacking from OnStage, and I dug through and pulled out all my swaps. I wanted to come on here and show you all the cards I received through the swap. The swap was done, there were tons of swaps, and this was my first OnStage, but my first in-person swap. And I only did it with my team. When I go again to OnStage, I'm going to do a lot more swaps. I'll be better prepared and kind of know how things work when people swap and all that, and maybe join a couple organized swaps, because it's a ton of fun to get all these cards and really look at them and get card ideas. So this was from my team. I had a couple extra once I swapped with them, and then I swapped with a couple random people from OnStage that I saw were swapping. So I'll show you those. But I'm not going to, unless it says in their little insert, I'm not going to say where the stamp set or whatever it comes from. But if you are dying to know, please let me know the name of the card you're referring to. I'll say who made the card, and just say, hey, that card by so-and-so, I really liked it. What stamp set did they use? And I will search for it. I figured that would probably be less time than if I searched for each one. So this is the card I made that I swapped with. I embossed it with the wood grain and then did a strip of the Country Lane, I think it's what it's called, paper, and stamped it out. And I did the wood grain and this in various colors, and I used different pattern paper from the same set. So each of my cards had a little bit of a difference, but the layout and the supplies were the same aside from color. So this is the one I made. Then this card is from one of my downlines, Denise. Beautiful. Really like that stamp set with the bow. So pretty. And then this one is really pretty, just for you. Not sure who this was made by. Then we have this one. This was made by Nancy. I really like this stamp set. I think this is the stamp set that comes with the koi fish. It's just really pretty. I've been on the fence about getting it. But just really, really like the detail of the stamp. This is from Dina. Really simple, white, very clean card. Really like that. This one is from Barb. Really pretty. Love this ribbon. This is that tropical, I'm not sure the exact name, but the tropical set, the pattern paper, and the stamp, and then you have some tone on tone. I don't know if you can see on there. This one is from Kelly. Really pretty, like the polka dot embossing folder. And I like the cutoff circle. I always like that look. I have a couple cards from Tara, who is also my downline. She used the Perfect Picture Birthday stamp set. And the tufted embossing folder, which is one of my favorite embossing folders. Love this Celebrate die. Really pretty. Then this is another one from Tara. Love this die. So pretty. And then that, of course, that pattern paper. This is a stitched all around bundle she used. Really pretty. This bundle and stamp set. And the pattern paper, I forget what it's called, but it's one of my favorites. Then we have this one. This one is from Gloria. Really pretty winter scene. And I'm guessing this is the shimmer white cardstock, which I've never used, but after seeing it so many times, I think I'm going to get some. And I placed an order and completely forgot, but I just love the way it looks. It literally is white cardstock with shimmer all over it, as if you sprayed it with the shimmer spray. Just really pretty. This one is from Kay. She used the Merry Christmas, hold on, Dashing Deer, sorry, Dashing Deer stamp set. Really pretty. And then this one's gorgeous. I love this one. This one is from Jenna. This is beautiful in the fold. Love it. And I love this paper. I have a pack of this paper and I'm like hoarding it. So pretty. I need to make one of these cards. I love this. Gorgeous. This card is from Amanda, which is beautiful as well. I love the clean look, the lighter color of the wood textures, pattern paper, and just the white flowers stamped out in really soft colors with the sequins. You are always a bundle of sunshine. And I always like the look when people cut apart their sentiments. Just really pretty. This one's from Lynette. And again, another really cool fold. I like that, how you can kind of see that. So very nice. Not sure who this is from, but really cool. This little cutout. And then they heat embossed all the sentiments. Thank you card. And then you see the cutout from there. That's very creative. Then this one, which is lovely. This is from Gail. And the stamps she used were very vintage and floral phrases. So this is really pretty. That die cut trim. And then you have the watercolor paper with some watercoloring, heat embossing, and then a congratulations. And then the stamped, the tone-on-tone stamps. Really pretty. And then this one, which is one of my favorite stamp sets. This is from Kelly. Love the Sea of Textures. Love this die and the sand dollar. Just really pretty. And then this one is adorable. This is from Denise. So love the way she did all this with smaller stamps and then popped up a few and added color. That's a great way to use your smaller stamps that you may not know what to do with. And you necessarily don't want to make a tag. So this is great. Little sequin trim. Pretty paper. The gold, the silver is kind of shiny. So that's adorable. This one I love as well. This is from Andy. I love the, Rooted in Nature, I think is what this is called, stamp set, which I have. The Rooted in Nature, it's a pricier stamp set, but it's gorgeous. And I happen to earn enough points to get it for free. So I did pick that one up because I really love it. And I will use it eventually before it retires, so stay tuned for that. But I love this. That is so pretty. This one is from Shelly. And I don't remember what stamp set this is, but I like the thick lines. I think that's really pretty for watercoloring. And if you stamp it in black ink, you can emboss it really quickly because it's not an embossing ink. Stamp it in black ink and really quickly emboss it in clear embossing powder, and it gives you that shine. And then you can watercolor, and the embossing powder creates that barrier so you don't bleed. But this is great. I love the thick lines. I've been looking at that stamp set for a while, but haven't taken the plunge to purchase it. Not sure who this is from, but it is Welcome Little One. Love the marbled background stamp, which I have. And then, of course, this stamp set is really sweet for expecting moms. This one, again, is one of my favorites. It's beautiful. This was, oh no. Oh, here it is. I'm like, I know it had a name. This is from Kathy. It was cased by another woman. But it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. And like, I have no desire for this stamp set. It's not really my style, my thing, whatever. But this is gorgeous. I love this card. So, you know, doing swabs and seeing other people's cards is almost kind of dangerous because it makes you think twice about a stamp set that you wouldn't originally take a second look at. Here's another one of these stamp sets. Just a note, not sure who it's by, but they did an embossing folder. Is this the subtle texture embossing folder? It may be, but really pretty. Really like that. Just adds a little bit of texture to your card. Very pretty. Oh, no, this is from Charlene. It was attached to the baggie. This one is from Barbara. She used, this vellum is the painted glass, I'm sorry, graceful glass vellum, painted glass stamp set. And these are the pearlized doilies that I really like. And you know what's really cool about this card is look how she did the ribbon. Who would have ever thought to do that? Oh, I love seeing things that I would never think, but it also frustrates me because it's like, why can't I be that creative? To see a little further and use stuff where it's not, you know, how it's not intended. I love that she looped the ribbon in the doily. I think that is so cool. This one is a really cool card. I'm not sure who it's by, but it has a little pocket, and that's what you, yeah, there's no card or anything. That's what you write your message on. I just think that's brilliant. So different. So love that. This one's from Beverly. Again, I love this die. I'm really trying not to get it, but I'm very tempted because it is so cool. And this is the Sea of Textures DSP. This card is from Joan. Really pretty. I like this flower stamp set. This is a gorgeous card. It is from Sandy. It's beautiful. Let's see. She wrote a list of everything she used. I love the wood textured, or the pine wood plank is what it's called, the embossing folder. And she inked it with gray granite, which I love. I love it. It gives it a different look and it gives it a more realistic look. And of course you can use a brown, you know, different colors to give it a different look. Stamp set she used is Sheltering Tree, Enjoy Life, Pressed Flowers. Really pretty. Love the little birdie. So really nice. Oh, and here's the inside. You know, it takes a lot of work. Our team we were to make 36. So imagine making 36 of these. I mean, a lot of work goes into these and they're lovely. This is from Kathy. This is another cool fold. I love the 3 layers of this. That's really pretty. But it opens like that. So how creative. Again, just so cool. I love this one too. This is from Patty. I love, again, that embossing folder. I think is the prettiest. And then the inside is done with a little die cut. So really beautiful, classy card. This one's really pretty as well. This is from Gina. Love this set. And this, if you can see, is, I was just going through the annual catalog again, and this is a background stamp that she used. So really pretty, and then the inside of the stamp. And you know, again, this is a layered stamp, so it's not just one stamp, you're done. It was at least 3 layers, and then the center. So great, great card. Here is one from Christine with Sympathy. Love the dragonfly. Really pretty. This one is from Gwen. Again, another seaside texture. I'm not sure if that's what the DSP is called, but that's from the suite. And then finally, this one is from Jenny. So really pretty. Oh, wait, no, I have 2 more. So those were from my team, and these are the random ones I picked up. This one is from Judy. Looks like I lost a stone, but I love the color variation in the snowflake. So pretty. Love that. And then this one finally is from Myron. I'm not sure if I say that name right, but it's so cool. It says, "Hello friend, just a note." And then you open it. It's 3 by 3. You open it and it has the calendar with an ink, what is this called? A post-it. May life be filled with fond memories. So really cool. So that is it for the swaps. Like I said, if you have any questions about any of what you saw, please let me know the name of the person that made the card. I went through that kind of fast, but I didn't want the video to be too long. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to participate in more swaps. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys next time.